International Maths Olympiad for Class 3, Grade 3. Section 1, Logical Reasoning. Question number 1. Which is the ninth object? Let us check it out. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. So the ninth object is option A, flamingo. Question number 2. In the given picture grid, which word describes the position of diamond? In the picture grid, we can see the diamond is here. So the correct answer is option C, bottom right. Question number 3. If you look at this object from the top, what will you see? We can see a picture here which is a 3D square, which is a cube. So when we look at this object from the top, we will see option A. Question number 4. Look at this pattern. Triangle, question mark, question mark, question mark, star, diamond, triangle, star, diamond, triangle, star, diamond. Which is the missing part? After a triangle, we have a star, diamond and another triangle. So the missing part is option A, star, diamond, triangle. Question number 5. What is the least whole number you can make using all the following digits? 3, 5, 1. We need to form the least whole number. So the least number among 3, 5, 1 is 1. The next least number is 3, next 5. So the correct answer is option A, 135. Question number 6. The Tigers scored fewer points than Dolphins but more than Eagles. Which team scored the most points? We can see that the Tigers scored fewer than Dolphins but more than Eagles. So therefore, Dolphins scored the most number of points. Question number 7. Rohit has a given amount of money shown here. If the prices shown include tax, which of the following shirts can he buy with this money? So he has 150 rupee note, 120 rupee note and 110 rupee note. So the total money we have is 50 plus 20, 70 plus 10, 80 rupees. So 80 rupees among the notes, and among the coins 5 into 4 is 20, 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 2 is 2. So we have 28 rupees when counting the coins. So 80 plus 28 gives us 108. Therefore, with that money, including the tax, he could buy option A, shirt for 100 rupees. Question number 8. Look at the given Venn diagram. How many are hearts but not green? So we need to say how many are hearts but they are not green. So this particular portion means they are both green and they are also hearts. So we need to find out only those that are hearts but not green. So only 3 are hearts and not green. So the correct answer is option A, 3. Question number 9. Rahul needs a new toothbrush and some toothpaste. You can choose from the toothbrush colors and toothpaste flavors shown in the picture. How many different combinations of one toothbrush color and one toothpaste flavor are possible? So he needs to choose only one color among the toothbrush colors and one flavor among the flavors given. So how many possible combinations he can choose? So with one blue toothbrush, he can choose either of the two flavors. So that is 2 combinations. Then with a green toothbrush, you can choose either of the 2 flavors. So again 2 combinations possible. Then with the red brush, you can choose either of the 2 flavors. So again 2 combinations is possible. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 3 into 2, that is 6. Another way of doing it is 3 into 2, that is 6. So the number of combinations is option D, 6. Question number 10. Third grade students made maps of Main Street. They use symbols for each office building, park and house. So we can see the map here. So there are 3 houses, 1 park and 3 office buildings and 1 house. Which equation could be used to find out how many more office buildings are there than parks? We have 3 office buildings and 1 park. So how many more office buildings are there than parks? 3 minus 1, that is 2. So which equation is the right one? The correct answer is option C. 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Question number 11. Which of the following figures is similar to the given figure? So this is a given figure and which is similar to this. So the correct answer is option B, is similar to the figure shown. Question number 12. Which number sentence matches a given picture? So this is a picture we have here, and there are 3 things in each group, and there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups, and each group there are 3 circles. We have 5 groups and 3 circles in each of the groups. So the correct statement that matches a given picture is option C, 5 into 3. That is 15. Question number 13. Look at Gaurav's timeline. What happens after Gaurav cleans the cabin and before he plays sand volleyball? So this is the timeline here: 6 a.m., 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 12 p.m. And after he cleans the cabin and before he plays sand volleyball. So this is the time he's playing sand volleyball. So what happens after he cleans the cabin? He is going to swim in the lake before playing sand volleyball. So the correct answer is Gaurav swims in the lake, option C. Question number 14. Parul put 70 plastic cups in the first stack, 80 plastic cups in the second stack, and 90 plastic cups in the third stack. If this pattern continues, how many plastic cups will Parul put in the fourth stack? So first stack, Parul puts 70 plastic cups. Second stack, there are 80 plastic cups, and in the third stack, there are 90 plastic cups. So if this pattern is going to continue, then in the fourth stack, there will be 70, 80, 90, then comes 100 when counting in tens. So the correct answer here would be option A, 100. Question number 15. How has this figure been transformed? It has been option A, reflected, option B, rotated, option C, translated, option D, none of these. So this picture has been reflected. If you see this picture in the mirror, you can see that it is reflected in the mirror in this way. Question number 16. Which instrument would you use to find out how long will the train take to arrive at the station? Option A, clock, option B, thermometer, option C, tape measure, option D, ruler. So the correct instrument that we should use to find out how long the train will take to arrive at the station is option A, clock. Question number 17. Yesterday was Wednesday. What day is tomorrow? Yesterday is Wednesday. So today will be Thursday. And tomorrow will be Friday. So therefore the correct answer here would be option B, Friday. Question number 18. Look at the given pattern. How would you show this pattern using letters? So we can see the pattern here is like 2 octagons, 1 heart, 2 octagons, 1 heart, 2 octagons, 1 heart. So we can show this pattern using the letters. Option A, A, B. So it follows this pattern A, B. So every octagon will represent A and the heart is B. A, B. So this is a pattern that is followed. Question number 19. Dia spent 1 week at a summer camp. What is the total number of days in 1 week? The total number of days in 1 week is 7. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 20. Look at these numbers 6, 66, 71, 76. Which two numbers in the box have a sum of 137? Let us see. 6 plus 66 will not give us 137 because in the ones place when we add 2 6 we will get 12, that is 2 in the ones place. Let us see 66 plus 71. We have a 6 here and a 1 here. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 will come here in the ones place. So let's see 66 plus 71. We have a total of 137. So therefore this is the right option. So therefore the correct answer is option B, 71 and 66. Question number 21. If a month ends on a Tuesday, on what day does the next month begin? Option A, Thursday. Option B, Monday. Option C, Wednesday. Option D, Tuesday. If a particular month ends on a Tuesday, then the next day would be a Wednesday, that is the beginning of the next month. So the correct answer is option C, Wednesday. Question number 22. Which of the given shapes represents a rectangle? The correct answer here is option A. Option A represents a rectangle. Question number 23. The distance around the middle of the earth is 2757 kilometers. What is the place value of the digit 2 in the number 2757? The correct answer would be option D, 2000. Here the number 2 is in the thousands place. So therefore the correct answer for this question is option D, 2000. Question number 24. Pulkit is having a birthday party. His mother told him that he could divide 30 stickers among the 4 friends he has invited. If Pulkit gives each friend the same number of stickers, which picture shows how many stickers each friend will get? Let us look at the options. Option A, we have just 3 groups, 1, 2, 3. But we have 4 friends here. So this option is not the right one. Here there are 4 groups and let us see how many are there in each group. So the first one, there are 6 dots here and here there are 7 and here there is again 7. So this is not equal because he is going to give each friend the same number of stickers. So here it is not the same number of stickers. So let's go to option C. We have 4 groups, 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Let's see the number of dots here. Here 7 and here also it's 7 and here also it is 7. This group also has 7, so therefore the number of stickers have been split equally. So therefore the correct answer would be option C. Question number 25. The length of a shirt sleeve is best measured in dash. Option A, inches. Option B, millimeters. Option C, liters. Option D, grams. The correct answer is inches. The sleeve of a shirt is measured in inches. Question number 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It goes on till number 40. Shali crosses out the number she says as she counts by 5, 10 and so on. Next, she will cross out all the even numbers on the chart above. Which one of the following number will she not cross out? So let us now look at the options. Let us look at the options. Option A, 20. Option B, 23. Option C, 35. Option D, 38. Shali is going to cross out those numbers that comes in skip counting by 5 and she also crosses out all the even numbers. So what is the number that she will not cross out? 20 she will cross out because it's an even number and it is also a multiple of 5, and 23 is an odd number. It is not a multiple of 5. Let's see 35. 35 is also a multiple of 5 in skip counting by 5. So therefore she would cross out 35 also because it is a multiple of 5. 38 is an even number, so that also will be crossed out. So the number that will not be crossed out is option B, 23. Question number 27. What is the missing number that makes a number sentence true? Question mark plus 19 plus 7 is 33. We have 19 plus 7 is 26. And what plus 26 will give you 33. 33 minus 26, which is equal to 7, gives us an answer. 7 plus 26 gives us 33. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, 7. Question number 28. There is 3 by 4 cup of milk in the measuring cup as shown in the adjacent figure. Supriya poured 2 by 4 cup of milk out of the measuring cup. How much milk is left? Option A, 1 by 4 cup. Option B, 2 by 4 cup. Option C, 3 by 4 cup. Option D, 4 by 4 cup. So in the picture we can see that 3 by 4 cup of milk is there in the measuring cup, and out of this she is pouring 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is poured out of the measuring cup. So how much milk is left? So that is 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. That gives us 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 cup of milk will be left. So the correct answer is option A, 1 by 4 cup. Question number 29. What is another way to represent 6204? So the correct expanded notation of 6204 is option D, 6000 plus 200 plus 4. There are 6000s, 200s, 0 tens and 4 ones. Question number 30. Which letter can be folded in half so that its sides coincide? The letters are option A, W, option B, N, option C, L, option D, S. So when W is folded in half, the sides will coincide? Yes. When N is folded in half, it will not coincide. When L is folded in half, again it will not coincide. S, when it's folded in half, sides won't coincide. Therefore, the correct answer for this option is option A, W. Question number 31. What fraction of the group of boxes is tied with ribbon? Option A, 3 by 8, option B, 3 by 5, option C, 5 by 8, option D, 8 by 3. So here the total number of boxes is 8, out of which 3 are tied with ribbons. So the correct answer for this question will be option A, 3 by 8. 3 boxes are tied with ribbons out of 8. So 3 by 8. Question number 32. What digit should be placed in the box to make the given problem true? The problem is 464 plus 2 box 3 gives us answer 707. Option A, 0, option B, 6, option C, 3, option D, 4. So 4 plus 3 we have 7. 6 plus what is going to give us 0? We know that 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 plus 4 is 10, and that will give us 0 in the ones place. So therefore the correct answer would be option D, 4. Question number 33. Which is closest distance from point M to point N on the number line? Option A, 5 units, option B, 8 units, option C, 7 units, option D, 6 units. We can see the number line, the distance from M to N, the number of units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 units from point M to point N. So the correct answer is option D, 6 units. Question number 34. The clock shows the time 12:45. What time will it show after 45 minutes? So the clock shows 12:45, and after 15 minutes it will be 1 o'clock. 15 plus 30 is 45. So after 30 minutes, 45 we have split it as 15 plus 30. So 12:45 plus 15 minutes gives us 1 p.m. Then after 30 minutes it becomes 1:30. So the correct answer is option A, 1:30. Question number 35. Shweta saw a 3-dimensional figure. It has a round shape like a ball. Which figure could Shweta have seen? Option A, cylinder, option B, cone, option C, sphere, option D, cuboid. Shweta has seen a round shape like a ball. So therefore she could have seen a sphere. The correct answer is option C, sphere. Question number 36. How many oranges can balance a weight of 1 cube? In the picture we can see that there are 2 cubes and the number of oranges are 8. The number of oranges are 8. There are 2 cubes. So 1 cube will correspond to 4 oranges. 2 cubes will correspond to 4 plus 4, that is 8. Each cube corresponds to 4 oranges. So 1 cube will be balanced by 4 oranges. So the correct answer is option C, 4 oranges. Question number 37. The given graph shows how many bags of popcorn Ria sold in the past 4 days. On which day did Ria sell the most bags of popcorn? Option A, Wednesday. Option B, Thursday. Option C, Friday. Option D, Saturday. And what does this graph shows your bags of popcorn sold? Day, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. On Wednesday, the number of bags of popcorn sold is 529. On Thursday, 585. On Friday, 582. And Saturday, 552. On which day did she sell the most? So the biggest number among these is 585. So on this particular day, she sold the most bags of popcorn. So therefore, the correct answer is option B, Thursday. Question number 38. I am greater than 250 but less than 280. When you add my first and third digits, you will get 9. Which number am I? Let us look at the options. Option A, 257. Option B, 254. Option C, 279. Option D, 269. 256 is greater than 250 and less than 280. The first condition is satisfied. If you add the first and third digit, 2 plus 7, the first and third digit, it gives us 9. So all the conditions are satisfied, but let's look at option B, C and D. Option B, 254 greater than 250 but less than 280. Yes. When you add the first and last digit, we get 2 plus 4, 6. Therefore, this is not the number. And here 279 is greater than 250, less than 280. Yes. But when you add the first and third digit, we get 2 plus 9, 11. So it is not the right option. And here 269 greater than 250, less than 280. When you add 2 and 9, you again get 11. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 257. Question number 39. Which sign should be placed in the blank? 52 blank 26 plus 8 equals 10. Option A, addition. Option B, subtraction. Option C, multiplication. Option D, division. Let us see, if you are going to put the plus sign, we will get 52 plus 26 plus 8. We will surely not get 10. So therefore, this option is not the right option. And if you are going to put a minus sign, 52 minus 26, let's see that. 52 minus 26 gives us 26. 26 plus 8 is not 10. So therefore, this is not the right option. 52 into 26 gives us a very large number. It will not equal 10. 52 divided by 26. Okay, 52 divided by 26. 26 into 2 is 52. So therefore 2 plus 8 is 10. Therefore the correct answer is option D, division. 52 divided by 26 plus 8 gives us 10. 52 divided by 26 is 2 plus 8 gives us 10. Question number 40. Study the two given fractions. Which of the following is true? Let us study the fraction shown here. We have 2 by 12 and 2 by 6. So the first option says 2 by 12 is greater than 2 by 6. Is 2 by 12 greater than 2 by 6? No. 2 by 6 is greater than 2 by 12 when you look at the fraction shown, and also when you are going to solve for it using LCM. We have 2 by 12. 2 by 6 becomes 4 by 12. So therefore 4 by 12 is larger. 2 by 6 is greater than 2 by 12. The first option is not right. Option B, 2 by 6 is greater than 2 by 12. Yes. 2 by 6 is greater than 2 by 12. 2 by 12 is equal to 2 by 6. No, this option is not right. So therefore the correct answer is option B. 2 by 6 is greater than 2 by 12. Question number 41. Rogan and Arjun played a basketball game. They scored a total of 10 baskets. If Rogan scored 7 baskets, how many baskets did Arjun score? The question says that they have scored a total of 10 baskets. So 7 baskets have been scored by Rohan. 7 plus what will give us 10. 7 plus 3. So therefore Arjun has scored 3 baskets. The correct answer is option A, 3. Question number 42. Manali has a garden having 5 plants. Each plant has 4 tomatoes. So there are 5 plants here and each has 4 tomatoes. When she was watering those plants, she saw 5 red tomatoes in all. What fraction of red tomatoes are there in all? The total number of tomatoes is 5 into 4, that is 20. Out of these 20, she saw 5 red tomatoes. So the fraction of red tomatoes would be 5 by 20. So the correct answer is option A, 5 by 20. Question number 43. A teacher and 17 elementary students went to the art museum. The prices of tickets are given on the chart. Which of the following equations should be used to find the total price of the tickets? So we have the chart in which we have the prices of the tickets. Adults 6 rupees each, students rupees 4 each. There are 17 elementary students and one teacher, a teacher. So the cost for the 17 elementary students would be 17 into 4. And the price for one adult is 6 rupees. So one teacher, so that is only 6. So the correct equation that will be used to find the total price of the tickets would be option C, 6 plus 4 into 17. Because there is just one adult and there are 17 elementary students. So it is 6 plus 4 into 17. Question number 44. Komal wants to buy dog treats for her 4 dogs. At the pet store, she sees the boxes of treats shown below. Which box of dog treats should Komal buy so that each of her dogs can receive an equal number of treats without any treats left over? Option A, 10 dog treats. Option B, 20 dog treats. Option C, 15 dog treats. Option D, 25 dog treats. Now Komal has 4 dogs and she wants to buy in such a way that each of the dogs receive an equal number of treats without any leftover. So the options, we should choose the number that is a multiple of 4. 10 is not a multiple of 4. 20 is a multiple of 4. So she can give the treats to the 4 dogs equally without having any leftover. 15 is not a multiple of 4. 25 is not a multiple of 4. So the correct answer is option B, 20 dog treats. Question number 45. Karan collects stamps. His stamp book holds 20 stamps per page. If he has to completely fill 4 pages of his book, which of the following could be used to find the total number of stamps in his book? Option A, 20 plus 4. Option B, 20 minus 4. Option C, 20 multiplied by 4. Option D, 20 divided by 4. The question says, his stamp book holds 20 stamps per page. So one page has 20 stamps. And if he has completely filled 4 pages of his book, that means one page is 20. So 4 pages is filled. So 4 into 20 is the number of stamps that would be in his book. So which of the following could be used to find the total number of stamps in his book? The correct answer is option C, 20 into 4. Each page has 20 stamps, 4 pages. So 4 into 20 would be the correct option. Question number 46. Romesh has 19 eggs. He has 2 empty egg cartons that can hold 12 eggs in each carton. How many more eggs does Romesh need to fill the 2 egg cartons? Option A, 7. Option B, 24. Option C, 33. Option D, 5. So from this question, we can see that the total number of eggs is 19 and he has 2 empty egg cartons that can hold 12 each. So each carton can hold 12. So if this carton is going to hold 12 eggs, so 19 minus 12 is filled. So the remaining leftover is 7 eggs. 12 is filled in this carton and we have 7 left over. How many more eggs does Romesh need to fill the 2 egg cartons? So 7 plus what will give us 12? So that both the cartons are filled. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. So therefore the correct answer is option D, 5. So 5 more eggs would mean that both the cartons are filled with 12 eggs in each. Question number 47. Miss Sangeeta's class went on a nature walk. They kept a record of all the things they saw. At the end of the day, they had seen 13 different kinds of trees, 21 kinds of flowers, 7 rabbits, 32 birds, and 12 squirrels. How many animals did the class see on their walk? The total number of animals would mean we need to count the total number of animals excluding the trees and flowers. So 7 rabbits plus 32 birds plus 12 squirrels. Let's take out the number of birds because they don't fall under the category of animals. So 7 plus 12 is just 19. Rabbits and squirrels come under the category of animals. So 7 plus 12 is 19. So therefore the correct answer is option D, 19. Question number 48. Nikki is making 2 pizzas. She has 12 pieces of pepperoni and she wants each pizza to have the same number of pieces of pepperoni. How many pieces of pepperoni should she put on each pizza? So she's making 2 pizzas and she has 12 pieces of pepperoni and she wants to put the equal number of pieces of pepperoni on the pizzas. So 2 pizzas, when you want to divide 12 pepperoni among 2 pizzas, so 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. So each pizza will have 6 pieces of pepperoni. The correct answer is option A, 6. Question number 49. Karl Faberge created fancy eggs for the rulers of Russia. A museum plans to show some of his eggs. The eggs will be shown in glass cases. Each case will hold 3 eggs. If 27 eggs are being shown, how many glass cases will be needed? Option A, 3, option B, 9, option C, 27, option D, 30. In the question, it says each case holds 3 eggs and there are a total of 27 eggs. 27 eggs divided by 3 cases will give us totally 9. So therefore 9 glass cases will be required to show all the 27 eggs. So the correct answer is option B, 9. Question number 50. A snail can crawl 30 inches in 1 minute. If the snail crawls at this speed in one direction for 6 minutes, how far in inches will it travel? Option A, 240 inches, option B, 180 inches, option C, 36 inches, option D, 5 inches. A snail can crawl 30 inches in 1 minute. 1 minute, 30 inches. So 6 minutes, it would have crawled 30 into 6. That is a total of 180 inches. So the correct answer is option B, 180 inches. Thank you. Have a nice day.